Jai Sriman Narayana. Nobody is talking anything. In that silence, now Bharata is addressing Sri Ramachandra Swami like this. While looking at Rama, Bharata is saying that, "Oh my dear brother Rama, because Kaikamma asked you, you gave up the kingdom and came to forest. Now taddadami tavaivaham." The same mother Kaikamma is willing to give this kingdom back to you. That is why I am giving the kingdom back to you. Ho Rama, you please come back. No one else can rule the kingdom other than you. O Mahipati, Rama, as and how donkey cannot run along with horse, as and how a common bird cannot fly just like Garutman, so also I cannot do the kingdom, I cannot rule the kingdom just like you. I do not have that kind of power, strength, valor like you. Oh Rama, not only me, the entire kingdom, all the citizens, all the great leaders, everybody is willing to have you come back and coronate, Pattabhishekam done and rule the kingdom. That is what is everybody's wish. Oh Rama, when you got Pattabhishekam done, after you got Pattabhishekam done, while you are going in a very wonderful great elephant as a procession, Matta, Nardantu, Kunjara, while you are sitting on the elephant and going in a procession, while so many other elephants also very happily following you, Antahpuragata Naryo Nandantu, when all the people are chanting and singing the glory of your all great divine attributes. That is what the scene, that is what everybody is willing to see and enjoy and live life like that, Bharat Rama. Everybody is willing to see that kind of scene. Oh Rama, please come back and get Pattabhishekam done. Like this, when Bharata, while crying, begging Ramachandra Swami, all the people are listening to Bharata. Everybody is appreciating the way Bharata is presenting all the things to Ramachandra Swami. And then now Ramachandra Swami is telling Bharata like this. Ramachandra Swami realized how much Bharata is grieving inside, how much pain Bharata is going through, because Rama realized that Bharata is feeling that all this disaster happened only because of him. That is why he is crying a lot. So Rama realized all that and now again addressing Bharata, saying that, "Oh my dear brother Bharata, all this did not happen because of you. It is all happened because of Daiva Nirnayam. No individual is having any more independence in this creation, Bharata. Only Paramatma is independent. Whatever the Sankalpam Paramatma does, whatever the decision Paramatma makes, that is what supposed to be followed by all this entire creation. Oh Bharata, you do not blame yourself. This is all happening because of Daiva Sankalpam. Bharata, how many possible ways that we earn money? At some point, Sarve Kshayanta Nichayaha, all that money will be completely disappeared. All that money will be completely gone away in so many ways from us. Oh Bharata, not only only that, how much ever great positions that you attain, all those patanantaha samuchrayah, great positions also, all of portfolios also, at some point they fell down, Bharata. Sanyoga Viprayoganta. How many people that we get to meet? It may be children, it may be parents, it may be relatives, it may be siblings. How many ever ways that we get to meet people? At some point we all will get to separate. That is what is the ultimate consequence of meeting people, Bharata. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Shloka, a Gita Shloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these shlokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.